Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, as you guys can read the title, and if you can't read it, I'm gonna braille it out for you. This video is brought to you by my newest favorite people from the down under. I am very proud to announce my new partnership with Next Level Racing. Oh my goodness. That's insane to say. Dude, guys, this video is the start of something beautiful because, as you guys know, I've been trying to get more seat time, and sometimes things happen to where it doesn't allow that. I spoke briefly about this in a couple of videos ago, I think before or after my Sebring track day video, that I wanted to get into sim racing. And lo and behold, I was already in talks with Next Level Racing on bringing something to the channel and to you all on how we all can, if you haven't already, how we all can get into sim racing. And today's video, I am going to spec out the brand new GTRacer 2.0 from Next Level Racing. Oh my gosh. Not only will this help improve my real world driving skills, I'm about to save money on gas, parts breaking, and for the best part, we get to game together. Win-win.
That is right. The GTRacer 2.0 is here. But before we can talk about the 2.0, let's revisit the 1.0. In 2023, Next Level Racing unveiled the original GTRacer simulator cockpit, a groundbreaking solution that brought affordability and quality to GT-style racing simulation. This cockpit featured a deluxe reclining GT-style seat with seat sliders, built-in support for shifters and handbrakes, a sturdy pedal tray, and a mounting pole for the butt kicker, all designed to provide an immersive racing experience. The GTRacer was crafted to position sim racers in an authentic GT driving stance, enhancing comfort and immersion during extended gaming sessions. Its design catered to a wide range of users, from newcomers to seasoned enthusiasts, seeking an affordable stationary cockpit solution.
In its bare bones, that is the GTRacer 2.0, the predecessor to the famous GTRacer 1.0. Well, GTRacer, as this is the 2.0. The GTRacer is a solid, affordable sim racing cockpit for enthusiasts. For those who just want to come home from work, turn on Gran Turismo or Assetto Corsa or what have you, and they just want to have some fun with their friends. They don't want to be on a controller. They want to, you know, feel like they're doing something. And that's where the GTRacer just took over, man. Sub 500 US, very affordable. Comes with a seat. And what makes the GTRacer so great is how quick and easy it is to install and set up everything. Give yourself about 2 hours max and you'll be ready to podium in no time.
Assembling the GTRacer cockpit is a straightforward process, but attention to detail is key for the best experience. The cockpit comes with clearly labeled parts and detailed instructions, making it easy to put together with basic tools that are included in your package. It's really awesome that they listened to their customer feedback and provided a bolt length identification card. That is next level for real.
I don't have a huge room, like this is just a basic standard bedroom, and look at the footprint. It's not that bad at all. Like, I am redoing my desk setup for my editing studio or whatever, but having this small of a footprint of a sim rig is incredible. And you're probably wondering, Zosh, you set up the rig, where's the gear? How are you going to even show us that it's dope and it's useful? I figured you'd say that. You're probably wondering, what makes the 2.0 better than a 1.0? And well, it's quite simple. For starters, a larger improved seat for comfort and durability. Double seat slider rather than single for smoother adjustment and reduced movement whilst driving. Double reclining seat, increasing rigidity in the seat backrest when braking under force. And probably my favorite is the pedal plate angle adjustment is now added, allowing compatibility with a wider range of pedals on the market while increasing comfort. And this unit supports up to 13 Newton meters of direct drive wheels. My first impressions of this thing is that it's really solid. For being what it is, constructed of some, I don't know how thick the piece of carbon steel this is, but it feels pretty good. Like, for what I want to do, I think this feels pretty solid, man. And this is a $400 unit. And you get like seat sliders, you get a reclining seat. And like I mentioned, it supports up to 13 Newton meter direct drive wheels for $400. That's crazy, man. That is crazy. And this seat is hella comfy. This is a very comfortable seat. Oh, I'm so excited to start driving. There is one thing that I must confess. There is some movement when utilizing the shifter. It flexes the entire rig, which makes sense because it's supported by one arm. But other than that, you really can't beat this, man. You get everything you need for $400 plus free shipping. But since I love you, there's a little coupon code down in the description box below. You know, Zosh25. Go ahead and use that and save some money. So what do you guys think of the GTRacer 2.0? I think it's a phenomenal rig, whether you're an enthusiast, a beginner, seasoned vet. For the price point of $400, having a seat sliders, seat rails, a wheelbase that supports up to 13 Newton meters, a shifter plate, all included, it's too good of a deal to not want to look further into and possibly invest. And if you do invest, like I mentioned, I love you. So there's a discount code with the link down in the description box below to save some monies. I want to give a huge thank you to Next Level Racing for partnering up with me and sponsoring this video. I'm so thankful to be a part of the NLR team now. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to do one of these three things. Actually, do all of them. But if you did one already, undo all and then do all. What? Yeah, just do that. That'd be greatly appreciated. All the information you need to know is linked down in the description box below. And I'll be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next one. I'm out. Peace.